Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily LeetCode challenge problem for the day. This problem is candy. In this problem we are given an array, okay? So the array length is n, okay? And there are n children standing in a line, okay? So we have to give candies to each of these n children subjected to the following requirements. So first of all, we are given an array called ratings, integer array. This ratings is an integer array, okay, and this ratings is also of length n, okay. See, the ratings array is also of length n. That's what is specified in the constraints. So there are n childrens, and then there is this ratings array, okay, and each child is assigned a rating value given in the integer array ratings, okay. So each child must have at least one candy. First of all, each child must have at least one candy, and children with higher rating gets more candies than their immediate neighbors, left neighbors and right neighbors. So only this thing we have to take care, and this problem will be solved. So first of all, what we'll do that we'll get the length of the ratings array, okay. After getting this, what we will do that we will find, after getting this, what we will do, we'll create one more array, okay, and this array will be called as candies, okay, and this also will be of the same length because we are going to distribute candies to the childrens, okay. And the thing is that the first constraint of the problem says that each child must have at least one candy. So arrays dot fill the candies with 1, okay. So we have done the first constraint of the problem is fulfilled. Now we have to simulate this, how to give the higher rating child more candies than its immediate neighbors. This is the second condition. How to give, the second condition is that how to give a higher rating kid more candies than its immediate left and right neighbors, okay. So for that, what we will do that we will go through the int I is equal to 1, I less than n, plus I, okay, and then we will check if candies of ratings of I is greater than ratings of I minus 1. If it is greater than I minus 1, then what we will do, candies of I will be candies of I minus 1 plus 1, like this, and then in this we are not bothering about the in this pass we are not bothering about the right child, okay, which we must be doing, okay. So can we do in this, we are not bothering about the right child. So to figure about the right child, what we'll do that we'll take one new int I is equal to n minus 2, okay. We are starting from the second, I is greater than equal to 0 minus I, and then if what we can do, candies of I should be math dot max candies. So first of all we'll have to put the condition that if ratings of I is greater than ratings of okay, then candies of I and then total is equal to 0 for int I okay. So we'll just run this. Perfect. Let's submit this. So this is the way to solve this problem. Basically, see, we are doing what we are doing here, that we are employing locally optimal choices. Okay, okay. So in these two loops we are making locally optimal choices. Okay, so with this we are going ahead and carrying this thing, and this is the we are satisfying the first constraint. For the first constraints, okay. So with this